Hello friends, let's make idli. For idli, I have taken idli rava, not the rice. It's idli rava. You go to any grocery shop, you get rava by name idli rava and urad dal. It's a whole urad dal, or you can take splitted urad dal. Anything is fine. The measurement is with this cup, the 3 cups of idli rava with 1 cup of urad dal. Now we'll take only urad dal and we'll rinse it 2 to 3 times first and soak it in water for 3 to 4 hours. There is no need of soaking the idli rava. That we are going to do it when we are going to grind the urad dal. After 4 hours, our soaked urad dal is ready. But before putting it into the mixie for grinding, let's soak the idli rava. Instead of soaking rice and grinding rice as well, here no grinding of idli rava. We are just going to soak it for 20 to 30 minutes. By the time it's getting soaked, we'll grind the urad dal. Now our grinded urad dal batter is ready. Let's put it to the soaked idli rava. But see, if there is any excess water like this, remove the excess water. After removing the excess water, now let it be with less water so that afterwards if we need, we can adjust the consistency. Let's add the urad dal grinded batter. To this mixture, the key ingredient is the cooked rice. Let's grind the cooked rice and add it to this mixture. This makes the idli soft. After mixing all of them together, just see the consistency. It should not be too watery, neither too thick. Then we'll allow it to ferment for 8 hours. For fermentation, you can keep it in a oven if you are living in a cold weather, or you can keep it anywhere in the kitchen if it is in a normal weather. Allow it to ferment for 8 hours. After 8 hours, the batter has been fermented. Let's give it a stir. If you feel the batter is more for you to right away cook the idlis, you can remove the remaining amount in a airtight container and refrigerate it. Let's put salt to the batter. Let's mix it nicely. Let's grease the idli plate with some ghee or oil. In the idli cooker, now I have put some water down, around 1.5 cup of water. Allow it to boil for 5 minutes. When the water is boiling, keep the idli stand on this. Let's keep this for kids too. Allow it to cook for allow this cooker to steam for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's do chutney now. For chutney, I have taken shredded coconut. If it's frozen, then microwave it for 1 minute. Otherwise, the chutney will not come good. Then half cup of chana dal, puff chana dal, and I have taken 3 leaves, that is coriander, curry leaves and mint leaves, and ginger, garlic and some chilies depending upon your spice level, take it, and let us mix them all together. Lastly goes some salt, lemon juice, and some half cup of water. Let's grind it. Now our grinded chutney is ready. Let's put a tadka on it. Tadka for the chutney. 1 tablespoon of oil. Let the oil gets heated. Then goes some chana dal. Roast the chana dal until they are golden in color. Some mustard, half teaspoon of mustard. Some curry leaves. Roast them all together. And lastly goes some hing. Now switch off the heat. That's done. Let's put it on the chutney. Let's put it on the chutney. Here our chutney is ready. Let's do sambar now. For sambar I have taken 1 cup of tur dal. This I am going to wash it first. Now I have taken the washed tur dal in a cooker, a small cooker. For that I am mixing 1 tomato chopped and some beans. Now I am putting 3 cups of water. And put it for pressure cook, and pressure cook it for 3 whistles. Now let's grind all these other ingredients, which is a small size of onion and 2 medium sized tomatoes, some shredded coconut and some 10 leaves of curry leaves and little coriander and 2 big cloves of garlic. One green chilli. Grind it. Now our grinded mix is ready. Our cooked tur dal with tomato and beans is also ready. Let's give it a mix and mash the tur dal. Now our pan is hot. Now our pan is hot. Let's put 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, let's put some jeera, tamarind pulp, sambar powder, chili powder, haldi or turmeric, and give it a quick stir. Then let's put some water. Salt. let them boil all together. You all know idli is a South Indian dish and their sambar will be little bit sweet in taste. So let's put some jaggery in it. The puree which we grinded. Let it boil for some time. Now let's add the cooked tur dal mix. Allow it to boil for 5 to 10 minutes and adjust the salt. As you see, it's a bit, if you feel it's a bit thick, let's add some water to adjust the consistency. Getting boiled, till it's getting boiled, let's make a tadka for this. I have taken half teaspoon of ghee, some mustard. When the mustard gets splattering, add some curry leaves. Be careful. And some hing. Now our tadka is ready for sambar. Now after 5 minutes of boiling sambar, let's put the tadka. Our idlis are ready. Let us remove on a plate.